I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Dee.
And we teach Uptown Swing Level 3.
Level 3.
Swingout Plus Month.
Plus.
Yeah, the plus is chicken. It's really delicious. I don't know.
Okay, so this is what happened. We started off just by reviewing. What did we review?
We reviewed what we did last week. That's normal, standard. But what we really focused on this week was a transitional moment, kind of transitions between swingouts. So we talked about this free turn, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 to a swingout, and how that feels a little interesting. There's a little moment there that you have to be very kind of cognizant of. And then we switched that up at the end of class by going directly to cuddle, and we investigated that a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we noticed a couple of things about that.
Yeah, we were talking about sometimes if that happens that a lead is changing from circular momentum to linear, and I can see him squaring up, then I'm decelerating just a little bit there. And then we talked about a really nice juicy catch there. Then on the other one, we were talking about how he follows my circumference a little bit, either with his opposite shoulder or with his body, and that helps me have a continuation of a rotational momentum. So can you just show that one more time from this side?
This side?
Yeah.
With the left hand like this?
Like that. We were talking about how that feels real good.
So do